At present, most of the researchers are using Google Form for data collection. We can get Google Sheet from Google Form, but we can't use it directly in the SPSS. We have to convert that sheet information into Excel format.
On Google Form, in Google Form you can see a number of responses here. After that you have to click this icon, that is view in sheet. If I click it, a new sheet will open. Download it in Excel format. Sometimes if you can't see download word, you can see the word export. So through this way you can download the file. So this is my SPSS file. Now we are going to open downloaded Excel file in SPSS. For that, click File, Open, then click Data. So here our file is not in SPSS format. That's why I am going to change this file type into Excel. After that, I have to take the data where I have my data. So actually I have data in downloads. So from that, untitled form, open. Do OK. So there are two views in SPSS. One is data view, another one is variable view. Look at in variable view. So all the data are measured in string. We can do only some analysis by using string data. For example, we can do percentage analysis and chi-square test if the data is measured in string. String means the data measured in alphabet. Advanced analysis can do with the help of numeric data, not in string format. If you want to do t-test, ANOVA, this type of analysis, we have to convert string into numeric. First, let us see how to do percentage analysis. For UG project and some type of project, that type of students need only percentage analysis. They may directly apply string data for analysis. Now I am going to do percentage analysis with the string data. Analyze. Select frequency from descriptive statistics and move the variable which one you want to present in percentage analysis. I am going to move first 4 variables. Here we can choose chart type also. If I want bar chart, just click here and give continue to the file, paste it in Word. Give border to table. So after giving border, just delete unwanted columns. Here we need first 2 columns only. Hence I am going to delete valid and cumulative percentage. After that, add 2 columns and delete these unnecessary columns. So finally you got a table. Just give the heading and write the interpretation under the table. To do some other analysis, for example correlation, look at here, all variables in the working file sets in use for inappropriate of this dialog box. That is all the variables in string format. We can't do this analysis. T-test. So this time also we are getting same. String variables are not allowed in the list. So for getting percentage analysis and chi-square test, we can use string data. Other than these analysis, we have to convert string into numeric. Let us see how to convert string into numeric.
In this sheet, most of the data measured in string form. Excel sheet is very convenient for converting data type, that is string to numeric form. Let us see one by one. The first column, it consists date and time when the respondents give their response. This column we don't need because by using this we can't do anything. So I am going to delete this column. Next, by getting name we are not going to do anything, so I am going to delete this column also. Next one is age. You have to specify the variable name into alphabet. The number should not consist at first. You may use the number along with the alphabets. So I am going to delete 2 point. Moreover, we have to give a single word as variable name. So I am going to short my variable name employee. So whatever the word we can use for understanding purpose, we have to shorten the name. Point scale statement with single word S1, S2, S3 we can give as per our convenient. If it is a ranking question, we may give it as rank 1, rank 2, rank 3. If you give your Excel sheet into some other person for analysis purpose, you have to specify what 1, 2, 3 means. So for that purpose I have used one additional sheet to specify what I mean. So 1 means below 30, 2 means 30 to 40, 3 means above 40. Finally we have to specify these conversion data into at last of the Excel sheet. Convert below 30 into 1. So replace with the 1. Replace. And just to copy the cell. Copy it and give it in Ctrl plus F dialog box, because if it consists of some space it won't convert. So above 40 into 3 and 30 to 40 into replace with 2. Replace all. So like this you can also convert all the column into 1, 2, 3, but when you are converting 5-point scale statement or word, you should be very careful because it consists same letter in many places. If I take A into 4, the A is appeared in strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree. Every word consists A. So first I have to take strongly agree for conversion purpose. Sometimes you may specify instead of short form, full form may given in the questionnaire. So you have to take strongly agree at first to convert it into 5. So give replace all. Next you have to give strongly disagree. Next I am going to give A for, that is agreement, agree. Sometimes we may use satisfied, highly satisfied, so dissatisfied. So you can use the same format for that statement also. So n into 3 d into 1 d into 2. So you can reduce the column width just by double click. Give border to all the cell. So you have to click here and give all border.
After doing all the editing work, next you have to save the file, because this Excel sheet is not in the format of Excel, it is in the format of Google Sheet. So I am going to give save as. I select my location where I want to save my data. So look at here, it is open document spreadsheet, hence I am going to convert this into workbook format. Yes, give OK. If sometimes this type of dialog box appear, just you have to give continue.